Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up PayPal payments in QuickBooks, so let's get started. First go to the bank accounts and then go to bank transactions. From there, you'll also be able to link a new account. When the list of financial institutions appears, look for PayPal. If it doesn't show up immediately, just search for it. You'll notice there are several PayPal options available such as PayPal Euro, PayPal Credit, PayPal MasterCard, PayPal Crypto, and standard PayPal versions for India, Australia, Canada, and the UK. If you're in the US, I recommend trying the PayPal.com option since both of the available versions usually work. In my case, I'll select PayPal Euro because I'm in Europe. Click Continue and then select Agree. You'll be redirected to the PayPal sign-in page. Log into your PayPal account, verify your identity by text or call, enter the code, and then click Submit. Once that's done, you'll need to confirm the connection by selecting Agree and Connect. After that, you'll be redirected back to QuickBooks, and your PayPal account will start connecting. At this point, choose which account you want to link. Since I only have one, I'll select it. Next, choose whether it's a credit card or create a new account. I'll add a new one and categorize it under cash and cash equivalents. For the description, I'll name it PayPal. If the name is already in use, simply make a small adjustment, such as adding a number. Click Save and Close to confirm. Now, select the time frame for importing your PayPal transactions, for example, the current month, and click Connect. QuickBooks will then sync with your PayPal account and begin pulling in your transactions. Keep in mind that due to new regulations, you'll need to reauthorize the connection every 180 days. QuickBooks will notify you 15 days before the connection expires. Once the setup is complete, you'll see PayPal listed under your accounts. If you go to your transactions section, you'll find all your PayPal transactions available there. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.